a drink.
Thank you.
So good. Wait, so good. We got Napa gin and tonic. It's delicious. I forgot to mention we're at Blue Water Avalon and we're by the beach, by the water. And we're usually that couple that sits next to each other, but then when we come to like these type of restaurants, we try to sit across from each other. So David's on the other side. Lamb chowder, crab cake, and fish and chips. Good morning!
Morning!
It is day 2 of Catalina and we are walking to Atwater Hotel to get some breakfast burrito
And coffee.
Yes. What's good about Catalina is everything's walking distance, so sorry if it's too loud. It's a really fast walk. It's like a 5-minute walk.
Yeah. I was skeptical, but it's literally like a 10-minute walk.
Yeah.
Across the entire.
Yeah. Yesterday we were binge watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. And we were like, okay, one more episode, and then we went like over and over, so we slept at like 3 a.m. which is the reason why we woke up a little bit later, but that's okay, we still will make it on time. I see it right there. Also, the weather is perfect today. I wore this sweater just to feel the fall vibes, but I actually don't need to. Go down this way directly into the water and swim. We are on our way to casino. We're gonna walk there.
Catalina Casino.
Yeah, that's our destination right there. When you come to Catalina, just spend the $20 to see this view because it's worth it.
Catalina Casino.
Yes.
There was
We're at the other side. What is
Descanso Beach Club.
Oh, okay. Our view right in front of us is the beach. So this is our view.
Cocktails here are dangerous.
It is.
Yeah.
David thinks he can chug this. We're at Pier 24. I got smash burger, poke bowl, which I already mixed. The other half of the smash burger, and then onion ring as a side. We didn't order any drinks. Onion ring.
Oh yeah.
Understand the cause like a bloating.
Bloat versus like gas.
Like a bump. You feel bloated.
What does it feel like though?
The fact that David doesn't even know what bloating feels like is insane. When you eat, does your stomach come out so like your jeans get tighter? Yeah. That's like feeling bloated. We just got the plain mint chocolate chip. What moisturizer are you using?
Liposome repair.
Can you show us what you're using? Beauty by Chosun. Beauty of Chosun sunscreen. Happy day 3 of Catalina. We're at Blue Water again for brunch because we really like their food.
Good.
Yeah, we couldn't pass it, so it's our last day and we wanted to come to the favorite restaurant. We're ready.
Have nacho dip. Just be careful. It is really hot.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Ooh. The good thing about them is that their food comes out so quick and it's actually really fresh and good.
Be safe. Big crab and orange dip.
We rented a golf cart and they gave us a trail to go through for an hour. This is the first lookout spot, which is beautiful. Wow, this view. That's where we went yesterday. That little spot. Cranberry sauce. Cheers. Why are we in Ikea?
Shop for furniture.
David and I are in Ikea to shop for engagement party stuff. I heard Ikea has really cheap pillar candles, so I'm gonna get the pillar candles. And then the wine glasses for the party favor. And apparently this chair.
Really comfortable. Back support is good too.
Not bad for Ikea.
Pretty good, right?
I see the wine glasses. It's not bad, right?
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
I just want the circumference to be bigger.
Yeah, I mean this is more standard size anyway.
Yeah. This is cute though.
You know.
I don't know. What do you think? What looks...
What do you think, chat?
We have 65 people coming. So we're gonna get 11 boxes of these because it comes in a pack of 6. And we decided to go with the mini because it's cute. Let's do it. We'll put 11. Can you count for me?
Hey, do you want to film so I do it?
Sure.
11.
We're at the candle section. So I think I'm gonna get a couple of these and like a few packs of these mini ones. We also found this set. It comes in different sizes. $13.99. Might be more than one, right?
Yeah.
How many should we get?
Make sure this is facing up.
Up?
Yeah.
Ah, because it's facing this way?
Yeah. Success!
Ooh. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon for Prime Day sale, and I unpacked these in the afternoon, and then we're gonna unpack all of these because they just arrived. And we're asking our ring boy, and he really wants this. So we got this for him. And then his bow tie is also coming too. We also got our prints in the mail. And these are the signs. One is for the welcome table to leave us notes, and one's for the engraving station. Oh, did I talk about the engraving? Oh, so we're actually having this as one of our activations since it's a wine bar and we're getting married at a winery. I thought it would be perfect for us to do a party favor to have my friend Bea engrave on everyone's wine glasses. So that's for that. Then we also designed the menu. This is a back. It says L and D and then the date of our wedding. No, the date of our engagement party. And then the front has the menu. We got that. And then I printed out a bunch of 5x7 photos from our engagement day. So we will be putting these in these frames, or I got like acrylic frames too. So I'm gonna put those there. Oh, oh wow. They're very thick. Oh, for tattoo.
Tattoo?
Like a temporary tattoo. That's another activation that we have. I got really cute like tattoos last minute because I thought it'd be really cute for people to like do temporary tattoos. Look at this one. It has like wine. It's so cute, right? A little cute cat with the wine glasses. To update on the progress, we have framed, oh, you guys can't really tell. We framed these. And then we picked our two favorites, framed them in the fancier frames. And then we were testing out the taper candle ribbon. I think the 3-inch is too thick, so I just purchased a 2-inch to go with the taper candles. And now we're gonna work on the ribbon garland. It's been a few hours and we finished. We did it! Lots of trial and error.